The easiest way to start designing with Canva is to use templates. So over here on the left side, you can see that I have clicked on templates right over here. And then you can search for templates that you wish to use. So I'm going to go over here and search for a theme called Learn right over here, just like this. And I'm going to press enter. So once you do that, you can see that Learn related templates actually appear right over here. So I'm going to choose the template which I'm happy with. So let's say, for example, I want to use this template right over here. So similarly, I'm going to just click on it and the template appears. So I can apply all the pages right over here or just choose one. You can see right here as I hover over, it says free. So whichever one says free are the free ones to use, and the other ones you need to pay it or you need to have the pro account. So I'm just going to click on this right over here, and then you can see that it comes up over here onto the main area. So you can see by default that there's blue color applied onto it, and as I click on it, you have the color options over here as well. We're going to talk more about how to edit colors and shapes in further lessons, but for now, I'm just going to click on it and choose a color of my choice right over here, just like this. So I can choose white just like that, or something like this, as you can see, according to what I want. So just like that, once I'm happy, I can come here and start editing the text. I can double click over here and I'm going to say something like Udemy right over here. And then I'm going to say learning Canva, just like this. And then now our design is ready. And that is how I can start designing. And now I can go to download and then save it to my computer as well.